this episode, we narrowly avoided a major dummy spit by Rachel after sailing through strong weather, spending some time in Townsville and exploring the beautiful ranges and inland river systems. Welcome back to All the Stars Sailing Adventures.
With wind gusts of over 35 knots still registering at Cape Upstart, we decided to make a run for Townsville.
You can do this!
I'm terrified. It's so windy.
Yes, it's very windy here. We left fully reefed with a plan to stop at Cape Bowling Green if conditions were too strong. A bit bigger and lumpier than we'd hoped, but the boat's handling alright. Well, that was Cape Bowling Green.
The whole 5 minutes of it.
So hello, goodbye. Not enough protection for us, so we're sailing on now to Cape Cleveland.
That's like the biggest sail that we've done for a long time. And Jess just spent 10 hours steering in 20 to 30 knots.
Yeah, after we went to Cape Bowling Green, we just looked at the place and we were like, this is going to be hell.
I just had bad juju.
Yeah, it was too exposed and there was too much current going through there and it was all dirty
Couldn't see the
water,
bottom, yeah, it was really yucky.
sandbars everywhere. So
You can't see the bottom here either, but it just feels a bit more.
we know we're very close now to Townsville.
We can just drag there.
It's just a quick sail across there. And we're a bit more secure from swell here too, I think. So, Rach is undertaking the unsavoury task of emptying our composting loo container. Part of our waterless toilet system on board. We were both looking forward to getting to Townsville to catch up with some friends. Rach had an assignment to submit and I had a broken fridge to fix.
We also bumped into fellow Cavalierians, Peter and Janet. Peter and I had a very similar experiences at Bowling Green.
Yeah, we did.
Cape Bowling Green?
Yeah.
Shocking?
Well, shocking. The first time we stopped there, it wasn't too windy when we arrived, and then it built while we were there, and we dragged our anchor. And then this last trip we did what you guys did. We went in,
Yeah.
spat the dummy. I think Rach and I both spat the dummy.
Yeah,
didn't we?
it's a good place for spitting the dummy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nasty place when it's windy like that.
Yeah, you just feel really
Rollingly green.
green.
Yeah.
It's quite easy. How do you stop them? Do you just put your foot down?
Oh, you got a break.
Where's the brake? Oh, there.
How's it going, Bandit? You're on film.
Yo.
Where are we going to, Rach?
Camping.
Camping with Luke and Lucy and Benny. Pretty excited. Luke was an old housemate of mine from some years ago, and he and his partner Lucy had since moved to Townsville and had a kid.
We're going to go up to your fly. Okay. So tomorrow, Jess, we'll walk across to the bank and you can flick.
Being 900 metres above sea level, at a freshwater campsite in northern Queensland, was a far cry from 5 months of living on a boat and something we'll never forget. There we go. Transfer them on the board for boiling.
You little camp kid, aren't you?
It felt really good to be able to relax in the bush by some fresh water with some really good company of Luke and Lucy and Benny.
So Sunday, pack up day, and we've had a great time here, haven't we, Rach?
Yes, very soothing.
Thanks for bringing us along, guys.
Thanks for coming.
And Benny was the highlight of the campsite. He was keeping everyone entertained.
Him and his potato.
The potato.
Yeah. And
Have the potato.
yeah, so much fun.
Did you have fun?
Special opportunity.
Can
This
you
is
wave?
a private camping ground, isn't it?
Yeah, what's the station called again?
The zigzag station.
Zigzag station. Nice. So yeah, packing up, heading off. Beautiful, crystal clear water. Lots of turtles. And you guys saw a snake here.
Yeah.
Snake
tiny
swimming.
one.
Cool as.
We've just come up the range into like the rainforest, the Paluma, I don't know, rainforest range or something. Oh, there you go. 975 metres, Paluma range. And you can smell the rainforest now. It's so beautiful. And the air temperature's gotten so much cooler. And just this amazing change in temperature.
Join us next week as we problem solve a broken fridge and determine that it's surely a false economy to try and install your own Mars-fitted Wi-Fi system.